download a TI-84 calculator onto your desktop computer, and I believe this only does work through Windows. What you do need to do, you try it on an Apple and let me know. I'm in my Google Chrome browser and I'm just searching Wabbit Emu. Okay, so I want to make sure I'm at the wabbitemu.org. Okay, so I'm going to download the 64-bit onto my desktop computer, or onto my desktop. So I want to make sure it's on the desktop so I know where to find it. Okay, so once it is done, I'm going to open this up. And the first thing that it's going to do is it's going to ask me for the ROM. Okay, so what I have done is I have linked the ROM into your Google Drive. Okay, so if you go into your Google Classroom, so here's your Google Classroom. If you go to Schoolwork, and then in your Class Drive folder, I have copied the ROM into that drive. So what you're going to want to do is click on the Wabbit folder. Wabbit folder, there it is. And then you're going to want to download this ROM. Okay, so if you right click and download this, you can save it onto the desktop. Okay, so if I have that there, now what I'm going to do is on my desktop, I think I've done this like a couple of times to get it down. But anyways, I'm now going to browse for that ROM that I just saved on my desktop. So I'm going to go to Browse, and on my desktop, I made a copy. So I'm going to use that copy of Wabbit. Yours is probably just Wabbit ROM because I've made 2 copies of this. Either will work though. Then we're going to hit Finish, and if you hit the little viewer, we now have a TI-84 calculator. Okay, so this is going to be the same calculator that we would have at school. It even has the nice fraction option. So if you hit alpha, y equals, there's your fraction. And so it's going to operate just like the one you have at school.